Let's make a tea time snack. Yes, this is called as chicken and potato roll and stuffed with cheese. A good combination for an afternoon tea. Make sure you try it and subscribe my channel and see the whole video right now. Let's make the gooey roll. We need some chicken wings. To the chicken wings, we add some ginger garlic paste, squeeze some lemon juice, some fennel seed powder, cracked black pepper, some freshly cut cilantro leaves, some fine chopped red onions, few green chilies finely chopped, and just enough salt to taste. And mix well with your hand and make a paste like this. Place a pan on a medium-low heat. Drizzle some oil. While the pan is getting hot, grate some fresh potatoes. Sprinkle the potatoes over the hot pan. As you've seen, 2 burger-sized roasties. Put some butter cubes. It helps us to get nice color, taste, and make it crisp. Crack some black peppercorn and spread and press with a spatula. Give a flip. You can see it's crispy. Now add the chicken wings on top of the roasties and spread it. Make sure you evenly spread it for a better flavor. Add a little bit more butter cubes. It helps us to make it more crisp on other side. Sprinkle some black peppercorn and some salt to taste. Flip it back to cook the chicken just 30 seconds. Don't overcook the chicken. Let's flip it back again. Add some mozzarella cheese on the top and roll it. And on a slow fire, make it crispy, crunchy, ooey, gooey roll. I named this dish Gooey Chicken Potato Roll. If you have any suggestions, please put it on the comments box. Let's taste it. Secret tasting. Very crispy outside. The chicken flavor is so good, so juicy. The cheese enhancing the flavor. Good for a tea time snack. If you don't have a tea, you can try this one as an accompaniment for a drink also. And when you eat, how you eat? Josh Moses Kitchen Way. Enjoy and eat. And when you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. And if you like this recipe, please share it, comment it, and subscribe it.